Hello guys, today is Saturday and we are going to the store because this sink right here, I would like to replace this sink that it's in the bathroom, in my downstairs bathroom. So we are going to go to the store and see if we can find a sink to replace that, because I don't know, I just don't like it how it looks and it needs to be renovated. So yeah, hubby and I are gonna be headed to a store that sells sinks, leftover sinks, I don't even know, but and then we might get chipotle for the kids. So yeah, we'll see you guys a little bit later when we come back. So here is the before. We are going to change the vanity right now. Well, not me, but my husband. The vanity, the sink, whatever you want to call it. We bought it. So this is the before and now, as you guys can see. Well guys, this is the end result. This is how the vanity looks. I love it because the floor goes really well with it. It's like a navy blue, grayish blue. And then we bought this faucet right here that it's kind of like gold because the hardware was kind of gold. And I love it. All of the 3 drawers are functional. That one is just like that. This one is like this. And the bottom one is full. My next project will be to change out that mirror. And I already have one in mind. See, I have this one over here, which was in my entryway. But we don't really use it, so I was thinking of putting this one just to break the colors a little bit, and it's not too similar to what I already have. So yeah, this is how it looks from far. I really like how it looks. I hope you guys like it too. It looks nice. I don't know if it can be captured in camera, but it looks nice. So I just need this wall right here, as you guys can see, and half of it over here to finish. I'm gonna do this, and then I'll show you guys the end result tomorrow because it's already almost midnight and there's no lighting. So I will continue tomorrow. Well guys, this is the end result. As you guys can see, here's the vanity. And right now I don't have any decorations. And then I have this mirror that I had in my front entryway. So I'm gonna use it here. And we ended up buying this light because it just was very different and very nice. On this wall right here, I just put these little flowers. On this wall over here, I ended up putting these, sorry, the glare from these little wall arts that I had on my bedroom, in my bedroom, but I didn't really like them anymore there. So they look really pretty here, as you guys can see. This wall over here just has the same decorations, just that and this. Pretty simple. Right here, I am planning on putting like a little towel rack with a little towel. So I am going to Walmart today and possibly try to find something like that. So yeah, that is the end of this video. So yeah, that is how it looks. I hope you guys liked it. I'll give you one more time. I really like how the vanity looks with the floor especially. So yeah.